Hey, welcome back to Parks Tour. Today we're talking about Splashers of the South Seas Waterpark in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Splashers is a 40,000 square foot indoor water park located in Grand Forks, North Dakota at the Canad Inn's Destination Center. We're going to start with an attractions overview. So yes, let's get this out of the way. Splashers is a small park. They really only have two attraction highlights, that being the Rarotonga, I butchered it, tube slide, and the intermediate slides located on the children's play structure. There's not much else for rides within the park. The Rarotonga is of course the signature attraction of the park. It's a pretty good sized bowl slide, and it's exactly what you expect it to be. A good first drop followed by a bowl which you spin around 2 to 3 times before being deposited into the lazy river below. The other rides in the park are two intermediate slides located on the children's play structure. One is totally enclosed and the other is open. Both are decent for what they are, but obviously they're kids slides, so, they're okay. The park also includes a decent variety of other attractions it features. Along with the aforementioned slides, you also have a children's activity pool complete with kiddie slide and little play area. You have a regular activity pool with basketball hoops, which during my visit was the coldest part of the pool, and I'm sorry, it's really hard to film and shoot a basket at the same time. You also have a lazy river that floats underneath the tube slide, and you have a hot tub hidden in the corner towards the back of the park. So, what are my overall thoughts? Overall, Splashers is an okay park for its size. The bowl slide is a fun inclusion, but it also feels a little bit out of place considering there are no other large body slides in the park. It's strange to me that they just decided that, hey, we should put a giant toilet bowl in here versus putting in 2 to 3 other body slides to help sort of flesh out the rides in the park. Another thing that was interesting to me was that if you're a guest of the hotel, you actually still have to pay for the park. Guests were $9 US. When I was there, it might have changed, but that's what it was. And just having a park as a part of a hotel, but then not giving it to your hotel guests is very strange to me. Otherwise, the park was pretty clean, easy to get to, and there was lots of parking. Do I recommend Splashers? If you're a hotel guest and you're there anyways, I would say it's worth going down for a visit just for something to do in your day-to-day. But if you're somebody traveling for the water park or you're coming from out of town, I would say you might want to direct your attention elsewhere, as this is just a small park, and after about an hour it starts to get pretty boring. There's not really a lot of variety in the attractions. The one nice thing is being that it's a smaller park, the tube slide doesn't usually get long lines, which is a bonus. But in general, I would say just take your time and you don't have to do this one. Sorry, I know this was a quick video, but thank you for watching. I have more on the way.